Hi there! Are you looking for delicious and healthy foods that can help you lose weight? In this video, we'll show you some good food for weight loss. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are great options for weight loss. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients. Some good options include berries, leafy greens, carrots, and broccoli. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber and can help you feel full for longer. Some good options include oats, brown rice, and quinoa. 3. Lean proteins. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, turkey, and tofu are great options for weight loss. They are low in calories and high in protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. 4. Water. Water is essential for weight loss. It helps to flush out toxins from the body, keeps you hydrated, and can help you feel full. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. And that's it. By including these good food options in your diet, you can lose weight and feel great. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching.